Vienna University Library, promoting and advancing open science is one of our top priorities. We strive to make sure that our researchers and students have access to the best support, infrastructure and resources available. That's why we are thrilled to host the Open Science Festival 2025 here in Vienna.
Join us in Vienna for the Open Science Festival 2025. The festival will be held right here at the historic campus of the University of Vienna. This building complex was once the city's first public hospital and is now the university's beautiful, vibrant campus, home to many of the departments and libraries. Save the date. Come join us in Vienna for the Open Science Festival 2025.
It's going to be an amazing opportunity for innovation, collaboration, and paving the way for groundbreaking research.